everyone, this is Magali from Daily French Lesson, and on this channel I teach you how to learn French on your own and to speak French with confidence. In this video, I'm gonna teach you and show you how important it is to immerse yourself in the culture and the language that you are learning. I'm gonna give you the tips and tricks that I used when I was in France learning English before I went to Canada. When I came back from London, I didn't want to lose everything that I learned in England, even though I could not speak English that well or I were not able to understand that much, but I still acquired some vocab, some sentences. The first thing I did was to watch every videos on YouTube, every movies, every TV shows, even on TV, to turn on the English audio with French subtitles. Everything I was watching was in English with the French subtitles. My brain could actually visualize the words in English and associate them with the words in French. Just by watching the TV shows or movies, I could actually make the translation in my head pretty easily thanks to the subtitles. Sometimes it's not that accurate, but it just gives you an idea of what the thing is about. Second thing I did, all the music, podcasts, the radio was in English. I could not understand everything, but my brain had to try to take a few things he could hear. It is important to completely immerse yourself in the language or the culture, because think of it, how do babies learn a language? By just absorbing everything that's around them until they can actually speak. So it is important for you to create your entire space, atmosphere in the language you are learning. You are learning French, find French everything. Third thing I did was I found some exercises online. I'm gonna put the link down below. It was called Français Facile, and you can use this website to learn and practice French as well. It's really good. It has lessons and exercises, and when you're wrong it tells you why, and then it gives you the next lesson to learn depending on your mistakes. Really good. I was doing this probably 20 minutes per day each day. I changed my phone settings from French to English, so you can do the opposite, English to French. I also use my GPS in English, so you can do it in French and try to learn the directions. That helps a lot, and the accent as well. The next thing was I made a few friends in England that were speaking English only. I was just chatting with them, texting them in English. I kept doing this, almost like every day, every week, just to keep up with their life. And this helped me to actually have a casual conversation in English. Try to find a French speaker, depending on what French you're learning. You can watch this video as well, learning French from scratch, to know exactly what to do before you start learning. But you can find a French speaker to exchange, maybe about music, maybe about movies, anything that's casual, and just see the way they talk and learn new words. But make sure this is a person that understands that you are learning French, who is gonna give you a good feedback. Instead of using this word, use that word. Make sure you kind of trust this person, that this person will make you feel good and make you feel like you are learning all the time. I also started to read in English. You can find maybe some easy books in French. I can give you some. There's also this amazing website called lingua.com that has different texts in French with the audio and questions about the text. It is really good to start understanding, to learn new vocab, and to also practice your comprehension. I did that a lot as well. I just grabbed text from whatever website, whatever stories, and I was trying to translate on my own, trying to understand the context. When I didn't, I was using Reverso to translate either the words I couldn't understand or the entire sentence. But that's how I created my whole immersion at home. Everything I was doing was in English. Everything you are doing can be in French. Just create your own immersion and make sure that your brain catches things from the language everywhere. You have to do this almost every day to start being more comfortable with the language, as well as practicing with an app and learning the language on an app, or with a teacher, or with a course, or with a book. It depends how you learn. Tell me if you created your own French immersion. What do you do? What do you use? And how often do you do it? I hope this video will help you, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!